So here is the temple that is the card deck. I've got the base of the temple with the cards ace through 9. Top of the temple, it's a 4-sided sacred temple formed by the court cards, the 4 suits, and the 4 cards of each suit. So I want to do a quick video for the underworld, just letting you in on a couple of the more esoteric pieces of information that I have discovered about the court cards. And it's not like these are big secrets. I have mentioned them in a couple places, but I want to make sure to include this in the underworld. So, in my book, I talk about the courts as being the actors and actresses that play out the events that are the lower numbered cards. You should be familiar with that idea already if you're watching this video. But the truth is, and what I've found as I've worked with the cards over these many years, is that I, myself, am the actor, just like you are the actor. And these are different characters that I can play. So I can be Leah, I can be Lancelot, I can be Fortuna, I can be any one of these court cards, and the people in my life have that same morphing ability, and we don't even notice it in life when we slip from one character into another, right? We get out of our car after being in traffic and we walk into a business meeting and we suddenly slip from one court card into another. We change characters. And so this is, I think, one of the more esoteric things about this deck and the realizations that I've had. I see this tendency for people to want to lock themselves in to one particular court card, and I think that's sort of a limiting way to go about using the courts. So the other thing that I want to say, and that's come up quite a bit, is people are trying to tell who a court card is in a reading. Gee, is it the person I'm reading for, or is it someone in their life? Is it, there's no instruction manual on that because it's all about the intuition. But the truth is, it's always both. It's always yes and yes. It's always an aspect of the person you're reading for. And it's also being demonstrated by someone in their life. This is the way life works. People in our life demonstrate or act out certain qualities that we have for us to see in 3D. So we can learn about ourselves. And so if I have someone in my life that's acting out a certain court card, I can also be assured that this is a role that I'm also playing, or an aspect of myself that's also being activated by that life event. So it's always safe to go either direction. You can say, yes, it's you, or yes, it's someone outside of you, because both are true. And it depends on what the client is ready to see about themselves. Sometimes it's easier to understand what's going on through observing it in someone outside of ourselves. So I hope you explore that idea some more. I think it's a fascinating part of what cards have taught me about themselves. And that's it for this court card video. Thanks for watching.